Hello, welcome to the Moon Scarab channel. My name is Ramon. On this video, I want to share a spirit reading with you today. So, let's get started. Card number 1 is the Strength card, reversed. This card is associated with the element of fire and the zodiac sign of Leo. It represents inner strength and self-control. In the reverse position, it suggests that you may be feeling overwhelmed or powerless in certain aspects of your life. This is only an illusion because your spirit guides want to remind you that even though you might be facing challenges, like we all do, and we feel like this in many moments of our lives, you have the inner strength and resilience to overcome them. Trust in yourself, trust your abilities, and remember that you're capable of finding the courage to face any obstacles that come your way. Card number 2 is the Ace of Cups upright. This card symbolizes new beginnings, emotional fulfillment, and spiritual awakening. This is an ace card and the purest energy for the suit. The suit of cups is associated with emotions, intuition, and can refer to relationships and how you react towards others and your environment. I feel that on this card, the relationship is expressed between you and your spirit guides. This card indicates that more than ever, you're open to receiving guidance from your spirit guides and you are ready to embark on a much deeper emotional and spiritual journey. It suggests that your heart is open to love, compassion, and spiritual growth, making it easier for your spirit guide to connect with you. The third card, the Empress upright, is Earth energy and is linked to the energy of the planet Venus. Venus is the most brilliant planet and it's known as the goddess of love and beauty. It can be seen early in the morning. This is one planet that has been universally accepted as the planet of beauty, happiness, and romance. The Greeks called her Aphrodite. She is Mahalakshmi in India. The Babylonians called Venus Nana. The Hebrews called Venus Astoreth. Assyrians called Venus Ixtor. And the Phoenicians called her Astraea. She is love and beauty in the most nurturing of female energies. This card symbolizes nurturing and abundance in your life. It reminds you of the importance of nurturing your own needs and allowing yourself to receive the love and support you deserve, both physical and spiritual. Your spirit guides want to remind you that self-care and self-love are essential for your well-being. Take time to nurture yourself, both physically and emotionally. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who can help you feel loved and appreciated. But more than anything, nurture and love yourself. So, with these 3 cards, your spirit guides are sending you a very positive message. They want you to know that even though you might be feeling overwhelmed and lacking in certain areas of your life, you have the inner strength and resilience to overcome any challenges. Remember to love and nurture yourself. It all starts with you. And support this with a deeper spiritual connection with your guides and surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Always connect with your spirit guides. To connect with your spirit guides, take time to celebrate and acknowledge your progress on your spiritual journey. Create a sacred space where you can meditate, reflect, and invite your spirit guides to communicate with you. Trust your intuition and listen to the messages that come through. Remember that your spirit guides are always there to support you, but it's also important to trust yourself and your own inner wisdom. By doing so, you will be able to navigate through any obstacles and find the positive outcomes you desire. The Empress card is associated with the color green. If you want to focus your intentions to nurture yourself, the stone malachite is fantastic for this. It helps you sync your receptiveness to spiritual guidance and opens the heart to unconditional love. I hope this reading resonates with you, and if not, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. And as always, thank you very much for watching and blessings to all.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the subscribe button for more future videos about tarot, divination, and other esoteric topics.